Welcome to Fishing with Jett. Today, we're going to talk about all the times when, you're not going to be able to fish all the time, but it's always good to hone in on your skills. Get somewhere where I got some things. Today, we're going to talk about all the times that you can't get on the water. You want to go fishing, but for certain circumstances keeps you from going fishing. So you have to do the next thing. It's almost like when you're a fisherman, you're like a quarterback playing on any level. When you're a quarterback, first you have to learn how to read coverages. On top of reading coverages, you have to practice your follow through when you throw the ball, your footwork, to make that pinpoint throw to your receiver. Every great quarterback, trust me, they have honed in on their skills. What makes it so similar to being a bass angler, is to be a bass angler, when you're on the banks or you're on the water, you're identifying, you're taking your eyes and you're identifying cover. Whether it's a lay down, whether it's rocks or some type of structure on the body of water. In order to really be successful, you want to be just like a quarterback. You want to deliver that ball or deliver your lure the same way. You want to be able to make that cast where you want to throw it at. You want to be able to hit that on your first cast. Sometimes when you can't go fishing, you can just do things around the house. You can go to your backyard. You can go in the field. You can go anywhere where you got room at. Set up targets. So, we're going to talk about today the importance of learning to be a very effective cast and how it can be a very vital part of you catching bass, being able to put that lure exactly where you want it on the first try. It's not going to always be perfect. Nobody's perfect, including any quarterback or a pitcher in baseball or whatever, but you try to get as close as you can. One of my favorite things to use when I'm, just in the yard around about at home, practicing to, just practicing casting, working on my accuracy and everything else. I love to get an old crankbait, something that may have a broken bill on it, remove all the hooks, and just use that. Sometimes I take a little old jig that I don't use anymore, but those are the type of things that I just kind of like cast around. Sometimes it's not even about just hitting objects. Sometimes it's me working on my left hand casting. Sometimes it's working on two hand casting, overhand, underhand. You just working on casts. You just getting getting repetitions in. One thing for sure, working on your casting skills will improve your fishing on the water. Whether you're on the bank, whether you're in a boat, fishing from a pier, it will improve your fishing. Just like any other sport, quarterback and everything else, if you want to get good at something, you have to practice. You have to do research. One of the best things to do now is to kind of get on YouTube and just go around and just go around and watch different people's perspective on how to catch fish. One thing I would tell you to do is try to find someone with a lot of knowledge that kind of like lives in your region of your country or whatever. If you live in the South, try to find somebody that's kind of close to your region. That way you can kind of put y'all two together. But you know, gathering information, practicing, casting, and everything else, it can all help you when it comes down to catching fish. So with that being said, I'm gonna get on out of here. Just wanted to come in here, give y'all a quick video. Y'all enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Talk to you later. Peace.